is nutritional yeast? It's probably a staple in most vegan kitchens, but I want to teach everybody what it is. It is nutritional yeast, but it's a seasoning that kind of tastes a little bit cheesy. Why is it nutritional? Well, if you look at the ingredients, it's just inactive dry yeast with vitamin B6, B1, B2, folic acid, B9, and vitamin B12. So it's really a great healthy addition that you can sprinkle over your eggs, which is what I like to do in the morning. You can put it on potatoes, or you can use it to make cashew cheese. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm putting a little bit of cashews, lemon juice, and some water in a high-speed blender. My cashews soaked for about 10 minutes in hot water. And then I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of the nutritional yeast. And this will make it taste a little bit cheesy. It has actually a really nice flavor. So don't be scared of trying something new. I do recommend that even if you're not vegan, that you try the nutritional yeast. After you put this in here, you add just a little bit of salt and blend it, and then you have some nice cashew cheese to put over potatoes. I like to put it on about a cup of quinoa, and that's what I eat for my lunch with some pinto beans almost every day. I have a couple of recipes for cashew cheese on my website, carolynsbloomingcreations.com, and it's on the Carolyn's Daily Dishes page.